What's up, everybody? So, what do we have here today? I recently upgraded my computer, so I have all those NVMe lying around. So I thought it would be a waste not to use them, maybe as a scratch disk or something to store my my media. So I ordered this thing. This is UGREEN NVMe Enclosure, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4. Should be in theory fast, more than the the regular SSD. So yeah, let's see what we have in the box. So this is the USB 4 cable slash Thunderbolt 4 cable. This is the screwdriver that I will be using soon, and the screw to hook the NVMe, and the thermopad to make sure I will not burn my hand and the NVMe will stay safe and sound. So what else do we have? Oh, another cable, the USB C to USB 3, and this is the enclosure. Very nice boxing, by the way. I like the feel of. Oh my god, this is looking nice. Nice rubber. I guess it's fall protection or heat protection. But yeah, wow, it's looking extremely nice. Yeah, it's even nicer in reality. I guess you don't be able to see like how nice is it, but yeah, I really like it. Let's open it, see what we have inside. Very easy to open. I see there is a small like fan. Not sure if we will hear it or not. I guess we will have to find out in a few moments. Yeah, what is a small hair. So let's. But yeah, I have those lying around. I guess I will take the the Samsung one because this is the only one with 1 terabyte. Let's hook in. Yeah, screw if I ever. Yeah. Okay. Let's put the thermal pad. Nice and easy. Ooh, that was satisfying. And let's screw it. But yeah, right. Exactly. Okay, so I guess we can start test it. Yeah. The rubber, yeah, it's very nice. Like it is very comfy and it feel good. Yeah, feel very good. So this is me from the future. I was in the middle of editing the video and then I thought it would be good to test it and show you the result. So it definitely does what it's supposed to do. And as you can see, those are the numbers. I connected it via USB-C. I think it could be faster with Thunderbolt 4, but yeah, these are the results.